Folks, doesn't exactly feel like December out there right now with temperatures this afternoon, mid to upper 80s across much of the valley. Tomorrow, another day like this, but tomorrow is transition day because tomorrow night things are going to take a tumble. Let's look at where we are right now. These are the current. It's down to 82 in Rio Grande City after going over 90 this afternoon. It's 80 in McAllen and Edinburgh, 78 across Cameron County and into Willacy County. So it is a very mild day across the region. Let's watch future track temperatures, shall we? Because this gives us an idea of what's going to happen when this front comes in. Here we go. This is 7 o'clock, readings in the 70s. By tomorrow morning at 7, you're still looking at readings right around 70 or so across the area. So really no cool down at all tonight. But then during the daytime tomorrow, we're back in the 80s again. Look at that. We're up to 84 in Westlake, 85 in McAllen. Another very warm day, but upper left-hand corner of the screen, you can see that front working its way into the picture. And that front, by 11 o'clock, it's through. Some models say it's through by 7 o'clock. So that front coming through in a hurry. And when it does, look how temperatures drop into the 50s in the west, 60s in the east, and then just continue to go down from there. It will be, it looks like a chilly night across the valley. And then tomorrow, or Wednesday rather, it just doesn't warm up. This is 7 a.m. Wednesday. Temperatures upper 40s, low 50s. There's 3 o'clock in the afternoon. No different. Upper 40s and low 50s. There's going to be kind of a second push to that cool air than Wednesday night and Thursday, and readings may go down a little bit more. This is 7 a.m. Thursday, and this is Thursday afternoon. Readings just don't go up, and then Thursday night it could drop a few more degrees. I don't think a vast majority of the valley will get into the 30s, with the exception of maybe the far northern and western sections of the valley. We could see some upper 30s, maybe north and west of that line. So out here in the ranch land and the areas to the north of the valley, I think we can certainly see some upper 30s there, but the rest of the valley probably staying in the 40s throughout this episode. Let's look at the highs though. Look how it goes from 86 tomorrow to 48 on Wednesday and 47 on Thursday. A huge drop in temperatures, basically 40 degrees. That's about as big as the drops get from one day to the next. And then we rebound, and we're pushing to get back to 61 on Friday. That's if we get some late day sunshine, and then back in the 70s by the weekend. But again, that's counting on some late day sunshine Friday, and then lots of sunshine on Saturday and on Sunday. But a huge drop in temperatures over the next couple of days. Now, satellite radar just shows patchy high clouds overhead now. This is our future track model that goes out a couple of days, and notice that over the valley, patchy fog late tonight, and then tomorrow just kind of a mix of clouds and sun. Another very warm day, but you can see building to the north, scattered showers. The front pushes through again during the evening hours, and by midnight the front is through, and then it turns windy, and by morning on Wednesday it's not only windy but it's cold, and it just stays that way all day Wednesday, and it stays that way all day Thursday. So if you're ready for some just damp, cold, drizzly, messy winter weather, it's coming, and it's coming in a hurry. Now look, by Thursday afternoon at 1 o'clock, models are showing, this wintry stuff off in the mountains and to the west of the valley. And some of the models hint at some of that getting down into the northern and western sections of the valley by Thursday night and early Friday, maybe some kind of a wintry mix north of us. We'll have to wait and see how that's going to pan out, because temperatures for the most part in the valley are going to be in the 40s, but there could be some chillier temperatures just north of the area. As far as your rain chances go, you're looking at about a 30% probability tomorrow. Then we bump it up to 50% for both Wednesday and Thursday, and then we put a 20% in there for early Friday. I think by Friday afternoon it's gone. It's just a question of whether the clouds actually break by the end of the day. Let's watch future track temperatures now, just in case you've got plans to go somewhere else. We're in the 70s this evening. It's 70s all the way up to Dallas. By tomorrow evening at this time, Dallas is in the 50s, Amarillo's in the 40s. We're still in the 70s. And by Wednesday, look how it just drops. We're in the 50s. It's in the 40s across the rest of the state. By Thursday, it gets colder. We're still in the low 50s in Brownsville. The rest of the valley cooler, 40s, even 30s. Del Rio at 38 degrees Thursday afternoon. And Friday, we start to bounce back, but it's a slow process. By Saturday, back in the 60s, perhaps low 70s, as the rebound begins across the area. Let's take a quick look at temperatures around the rest of the country. There's the cold air moving in from the northwest. You can see where it's located across the western part of the country. So for tonight, partly cloudy with patchy fog, a low of 69. 69 for the low. That's 20 degrees warmer than the high for Wednesday and Thursday. Tomorrow back to 86. Late day front, count on a 40-degree drop in temperatures between tomorrow afternoon and Wednesday afternoon. 86 and then 48, almost 40 degrees. 47 on Thursday at best. Windy and cold. Friday, if we get that late day sunshine, we should bounce back into the low 60s, but if the sun doesn't come out, it'll stay cold again. But over the weekend, we see sunshine and mild temperatures moving back into the valley. So the bottom line is, Winter arrives tomorrow evening with that cold front. We'll continue to track it. Have an update for you just a little bit later on.